Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a printer to scan documents. First, confirm your printer has power and is connected to your computer, either through a cable or wirelessly. Next, make sure the scanning surface, like the flatbed glass or document feeder, is clean. Then, install or verify your printer's scanning software is ready on your computer for immediate use. Now, let's place your document. If you have a single page, position it face down on the flatbed glass, making sure to align it with the corner arrow. For several pages, load them face up into the automatic document feeder, ensuring all pages are oriented consistently. Always take a moment to adjust the document guides, holding your papers gently but firmly in place. With your document in place, open your printer's scanning software on your computer. You will then select the scan type. Options typically include document, photo, or even text recognition for editable files. Next, choose your output format. PDF is excellent for multi-page documents, while JPEG works well for images. You can also set a resolution, perhaps 300 dpi for standard documents, ensuring clarity without excessively large file sizes. Once all settings are configured, simply click the Scan button to start. After the scan is complete, you will be prompted to save your file. Choose a clear destination folder on your computer, such as your Documents or Pictures folder. Finally, give your scanned document a descriptive file name, perhaps including the date, so you can easily find it whenever you need it in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.